Hi guys, Tamara Lankowski from HealthyTreatsMarket.com, and I don't know if you guys know this, but I'm Chaldean. I'm like the Chaldean from Jesus, like Abraham came from the Ur of the Chaldees. One of my favorite dishes that my grandma made when I was little was a meat pie. It wasn't a meat pie, it was a pie that had like onions, and she'd make the onions taste so good. And when we were like fasting, or we were trying to not eat meat, or during Lent or something like that, we would eat these pies that had this like peanut buttery onion filling in them. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. And I know it sounds weird, but I'm telling you, if you try this, you'll be addicted. I promise you. So what I did is I've got my Dash Express. I've sauteed. This is about half of a large onion. I like to use purple onion because it's a lot healthier than the white onions or chives, whatever. But anyway, purple onions are more accurate. This is a tablespoon of peanut butter and a tablespoon of tahini. Okay, if you don't know what tahini is, look it up. You can get it anywhere. Arabic stores have it, okay? So I got a tablespoon of tahini and a tablespoon of peanut butter in about half of a large onion. I'm gonna put this here. I'm gonna mix all this up, okay? The thing I'm gonna do with this is sprinkle just a hint of curry. See that? I just coat a little bit of curry on top, and then I use pink salt, okay? So this is what gives it that authentic taste. Now I'm gonna mix it up again. This is so good, and I already tasted it. It tastes exactly like my grandma used to make it, except this is gonna make me lose weight, not gain weight. You can buy the skinny bread either in single servings like this or bulk servings like this. So I just put 1/4 cup in here. I'm adding 1/4 cup of egg whites. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons plain non-fat Greek yogurt. Mix it up. Okay. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna spray this and spread some on the bottom. Okay, so I'm gonna save what's in there for the rest. It's easier, see, it sticks on your fingers, but if you just spray your fingers a little bit, you can spread it out and it won't stick, okay? So I'm gonna spray this. So now what I'm gonna do is put this pie filling on top. Okay? And then what I'm gonna do, I could probably make 2 pies out of the filling that I made. Then what I'm gonna do is put the rest of this on top. And I'm gonna fold it in to turn it into a pie. See that? All right, guys. Oh, look at that. The top cooked too, but I'm gonna flip it because it looks like the top cooked, but the sides didn't cook like they should. So I'm gonna flip it to make sure the whole thing is cooked. Guys, this whole thing is only about 300 calories. And I'm telling you, this is gonna fill you up more than a meal will, okay? And you're talking about 20 grams of protein in here. But I'm telling you, for 300 calories, comfort food, for 300 calories, you can't beat that. And not only that, you'll lose weight instead of gain it, okay? So, and here it is. I'm gonna show you what it looks like when you cut it open. This is so good, guys. If you are Chaldean and you know what I'm talking about the peanut butter pies that our grandmas used to make, like this is a big alternative, and it tastes exactly the same. And it's grain-free and it's gluten-free and it's so healthy for you, and you can eat all you want and lose weight. So it doesn't get better than this, guys, okay? Come see us. We're in the Davison Farmers Market. We're here every Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, 9 to 5. And if you don't live nearby, guys, you can always go on HealthyTreatsMarket.com and just type pie in the search bar, and you'll see all the different pie recipes that we have, okay? Thank you so much for watching. God bless you.